Okay, guys. So welcome back to Evolving Mail. So I'm gonna do a quick little video on how to adjust your steering wheel with the wrench. Just a simple 15 millimeter wrench, and I don't know about you guys, but it drives me crazy when your steering wheel is like crooked, just cocked a little bit, right? So I'm gonna turn you around, and we're gonna take a look at the steering wheel. Here, oh sorry. Maybe. Sorry. So your steering wheel is a little crooked. You're driving down the road and you're going perfectly straight, but the steering wheel is a little crooked. And I want it like this. It's only a little bit. It was worse. It was like this or something. It was just off a little bit. And you got a clock spring in there that kind of controls your stability and all that, and traction control. And if it gets off about 5%, I think it is, it screws that up. But right now we're at like 1%. But it's not perfect, but it's enough to drive me crazy. So I'm going to show you how to do it with a 15 millimeter wrench. And this is very easy. We're just going to go down here to the steering pitman arm. The steering pitman arm is right there. See it right here, okay? And there is a little, there's actually a little, you can see it, see, get in here. Right there is an adjustment. So that adjustment is very easy to adjust. There's one bolt. See how hard to get my hands in here. There's one bolt right there, 15 millimeter, and then you just turn this and the whole steering wheel turns. So all you got to do is get in there and make sure I got this going the right way. Get in there, loosen this up. Get in there, loosen this up. Loosen the one clamp up. Loosen the one clamp up. Sorry about the camera hitting. And then you're gonna turn this thing right here. We're gonna turn it towards me, because that's which way the wheel's gotta go. Turn a little bit, and then come back up here. Take a look. And the steering wheel, I don't know, didn't really move. Let me try it again. I think I'm going the wrong way because I always get this wrong. But we're going to take a look in a second. When you get in here, we're going to turn this thing. We're going to turn it. I just turned it the wrong way, so I got to turn it back. I'm going to turn a little bit, and it goes the opposite direction. If you want it to go left, you go right. If you want it to go right, you go left. We're almost there. Come back. Do it a little bit more. A little bit more. Come back in here, and I think that's it. That's it. I don't want to go too much because it get out of whack. And that's all. That's all you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and you're going to tighten that. You're going to tighten that clamp. See that clamp right there. You're going to tighten it back up, and we're all done. And that's it. That's how you adjust your steering wheel. You don't have to take it to an alignment place and get it done. You don't have to do all that stuff yourself. You just do it yourself. And it's pretty easy. So keep an eye out. I've got a new project coming. I've got one of my best friends. He's got a TJ. I'm going to start working on his TJ, and he's going to bring it over and we're going to start doing some stuff. I know I've got to do an alignment on it. I got to do something with his coil springs. Put some O2 sensors in there. So I got some more videos coming, and they're going to be Jeep related, but they're also going to be about doing it on a TJ, which is a fun vehicle. Probably, other than a CJ, I think TJ was probably the most fun. TJs are really fun. They're small. They're bouncy. They're fun. They're fun vehicles. CJs are fun, but the TJ is a good vehicle. I'm thinking about eventually buying one, maybe next year or the year after. Buying a new TJ. I've had several, but I'm going to get some. Practice on my buddy Sean's. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for tuning in on how to do an easy steering wheel adjustment. I really appreciate it, guys. Take it easy. Please hit like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for coming to Evolving Mail. See you guys later. Peace out.